Hi everybody. I wanted to just make a quick little video for you to show you how I would create the hex nut. The reason for this is I'm afraid some people are spending way too much time making a placeholder. And remember that a placeholder is exactly that. It's not an exact piece of CAD, but it's going to be just good enough to make sure that you have clearances and is going to look the way you want it and you'll be able to access it. And so what I've done is I've gone to my data sheet. I found the hex nut, and it's a 20 millimeter by 1.5, which is the thread. And I see that it has a diameter across the flats of 26 millimeters. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by creating the hexagon. And the easy way to create a hexagon is to start by uh, using a command called Polygon. All right. So we're going to make our polygon, and it's going to be six-sided, and its center is going to be at 0, 0, 0. And we're given two options. We can either have it inscribed or circumscribed. What circumscribed means is that if we drew a circle around the outside, it would basically be touching on the points of your hexagon. And so because the dimension they give us is 26 millimeters across the flats, we actually want it inscribed. All right. And notice that it is asking for a radius, so we're going to have to be careful of that. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that this is 26 millimeters divided by 25.4, because my drawing is in imperial right now. And that gives me a answer of 1.024 inches, but I'm looking for the radius, so I'll divide that by 2, which gives me uh, 0.512 inches. And so now I have this polygon that is already joined. It's a polyline, right? So we're good there. The next thing that we want to do is we want to draw a circle, and this circle again is going to be at 0, 0. And from experience, I know that the minor diameter, they call it, of the hole is going to be less than 20 millimeters because of the thread. And so we don't need to be precise about this. We're just going to pick a number, and I'm going to say that I want a diameter of 18 millimeters. So in this case, 18 millimeters divided by 25.4 gives me an answer of 0.709 inches. And this is reasonable so far. We can accept this. And so now I'm just going to extrude these two objects. And it doesn't really give us a dimension, but I'm going to pick something. Now I know that the thread pitch is 1.5 millimeters, so let's make it 3 millimeters. That'll be point. Let's go with 0.2 of an inch. Probably good enough. And this is reasonable. The last thing that we need to do then is to obviously do our Boolean operation. So we're going to subtract. I'm going to take my hexagon and then remove my hole. All right. Finally, we can go to visualize and take a look at this in realistic. And that is good enough. Okay. Again, you see this took all of, what are we calling this, 4 minutes with me talking. So hopefully you can get it done rather quickly as well. All right. Hope this helps. Keep the questions coming, and good luck, everybody.